Welcome to PropMarker, the platform that helps you find your perfect property. We'll guide you through the features and functionalities about Flat with Potential to help you get the most out of your experience. Let's dive in. After choosing Flat with Potential, the PropMarker software will generate a list of properties based on the selected outcodes. PropMarker enables you to sort and filter properties based on your preferences. Utilize the sort by and filter options to refine your search. For instance, you can sort by price, listed date or highest return on investment, ROI. You can filter properties by area within selected outcodes, price, bedrooms, and tenures. You can click on a property to view more details. Found a property you love? Click on the heart icon to save it to your favorites. This makes it easy to track properties you're interested in and revisit them later. If you wish to add notes, simply click on Add Note to include additional information. Additionally, you have the option to download a report if needed. Let's dive into the specifics of a particular property, like Erdington B236BT. This property is currently on the market, and you are invited to explore various images of the property. You can discover essential details such as the area, price, and other relevant information. Property highlights assist users in finding properties with potential for value growth, identifying potentially undervalued or reduced price properties. Explore key characteristics under specific key tags, making it easy to find properties that meet your specific requirements. For this property, the key tags are short lease and investment. Click on the Flat with Potential tab, and you'll find both the AI-processed and original plans, showcasing the potential for increasing the number of bedrooms. AI-processed floor plans are a valuable tool for buyers, sellers, and real estate professionals. They provide a comprehensive understanding of the layout and features of a property, allowing users to easily view and compare different properties. In this property, the AI tool has identified that it has the potential to increase the number of bedrooms and found that there is a window in the kitchen, and that the kitchen area could be converted into a bedroom, as the size of the kitchen is more than 2.0 x 1.8 meters, allowing for the possibility of adding a single or double bedroom. Let's explore the map view. It gives you a visual look at properties and their locations. The Sold in Street feature shows recent property sales on a specific street, providing insight into the current market value in the area. Now, head to the Market Analysis section, allow you to gather and evaluate information about the current state of the property market in a particular area. This analysis is a valuable tool for making informed decisions about buying, selling, or investing in property. The Schools and Universities feature serves as an all-in-one resource for discovering and comparing educational institutions near your property. It provides a comprehensive overview to make informed decisions about the educational landscape in the area. Pretty handy, right? Explore the Deal Analyser tool on PropMarker. It helps you assess whether a property is a good investment, with features to calculate current rental analysis, current flip analysis, and conversion to a 3-bedroom flat. The Deal Analyzer tool is an invaluable resource for property investors, enabling them to make informed decisions, maximize returns, and minimize risks associated with their property investments. By analyzing comparable properties and taking into account local market conditions, the Deal Analyzer can help users identify the return on investment. And, if you're into property flipping, buying, fixing up and selling for a profit, this tool shows you the average sale price after the flip. You can also view the average rent and ROI if the property is being rented. You can see the average sale price if you're thinking of turning that property into a 3-bedroom flat. We provide a modification option to calculate these values. Oh, and we care about your safety. PropMarker also provides information on crime rates and demographics, helping users assess the safety and suitability of an area for their needs and preferences. Optimize your property deals by adding them to your deal funnel on PropMarker. This feature allows you to streamline your deal process, tracking progress from property identification to offer negotiation, due diligence, and closing deals. Need info on the agent? Explore details about the listed agent by clicking on List of Agents, and make contact with them directly through the Call Agent option. Additionally, delve into information about nearby transportation and hospitals for added convenience. Discover valuable insights by exploring sold comparables, properties sold within 1 mile of your property, rental comparables, properties that are currently being rented within 1 mile, and on-market comparables, properties for sale within 1 mile. Utilize the powerful comparison generating tool by specifying property type, bedroom count, and square footage for a comprehensive analysis. Feel free to explore more, and our support team is ready to assist. Thank you for choosing PropMarker for your property needs.